If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Hello and welcome to Flash Kitchen. And today I'm gonna be making one of the popular street foods, the aloo chop, which is made with potato and gram flour or besan. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need to make the aloo chop are roughly about 250 grams or 3 large potato which are boiled then mashed. Then finely chopped 1 large onion, a teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, finely chopped a sprig of curry leaves, roughly about 5 to 6 leaves, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, a quarter teaspoon of chaat masala, or you can also use amchur powder, then some salt to taste, then about a cup of gram flour or besan, and a quarter teaspoon of baking soda. Now take a bowl and in that add all the besan along with half of the ginger and garlic paste, half of the red chili powder, half of the turmeric, baking powder, coriander powder, and some salt. Now combine these really well with the help of a spoon. Then after that, pour a little bit of water at a time and try to make a mixture. And the consistency of the mixture should be like a dosa batter, which is a little on the thinner side, just like this. Now let it rest for at least 10 minutes. In the meantime, we will make the stuffing. So for that, take a pan, add some oil, and first add the ginger garlic paste and the chopped onions. And saute these for about a minute. Then to that, add all the spices, the red chili powder, garam masala powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, some salt, the amchur or chaat masala, and the curry leaves. Now mix it up really well and roast these for a few seconds. Now lower the flame to medium to low, then add all the mashed potato. So to combine these, you can use a mixer or just use a spatula, but do it gently. Then after you get a uniform mixture, just switch off the flame and let it cool down a little. Then make some small balls out of the potato mixture, then dip and coat it really well with the batter. Then take lots of oil for deep frying and set the flame on medium. Then add these one by one and fry for about 4-5 minutes or until they start to turn a little golden brown color. And that's it, the street style aloo chop. Do try it at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.